Okay, another follow-up video. This is going to show you a few ways that you can use these learning objectives. So you went through the trouble and you've created all these folders. So here, for example, in my folder is all of the topics for the whole year. Okay, how am I going to be able to use them in my course? Okay, so if I go to my course and I add an assignment, this one I've showed a few times, but I'll show you again. So I'm going to align and I'm going to go custom learning objectives, personal in this case. Say I want to open 7th grade science. I open the cell system and then I choose whatever objectives match with this assignment. And then I would add them. Okay. But assignments is not the only use. Okay. So you can also add them in assessments. Okay. So I'm just going to label this test and click create just so I can show you. And we'll go like this. Okay. And when I go to questions, so any type of question. So let's just add a multiple choice question. I scroll down and down here, okay, are learning objectives. So I click here, again, same thing, custom learning objectives. I go in personal. I'm looking in this case, 7th grade science, it's topic 2, okay? And then I'm going to, again, select all the ones that would apply to that specific question, okay? And we'll just cancel this, okay? So you can use them in assessments, all right? Where else you can use them is in creating rubrics, okay? So I'm going to go into my practice course. Let's go to grade setup. Click on rubrics and let's add a rubric, okay? And we'll go here to learning objectives. So in personal, again, 7th grade science, so I'm in topic 2, so let's pick this one. And we'll just add this one. And I can modify the grading scale. I can add some more information. I can add multiple learning objectives, okay? It can be from the Common Core. It can be from my state standards. And again, I can use specifics here, but notice how when I pull in the learning objective, it literally writes it here for me. So I don't have, students don't have to question what exactly that learning objective is. Here it is word for word. And then I can give some more clarification over here if I want it. So you can use it in assignments, you could use it in assessments, and you can use it in rubrics, okay? And then, so if I cancel this, when you go into mastery, this is my practice course, so there's not going to be very much here, you can see student achievement based on those assigned learning objectives. How awesome is that? Okay, so this only has me in here, but it would give you very specific information about each standard and each student.